Hi students, welcome to all of you in today's class. Today we are going to discuss the most important theorem on the circle. So many theorems are given on circle, and today I have taken a theorem which is central angle is double of inscribed angle standing on the same arc. If central angle and inscribed angle both are given, then and both are standing on the same arc, then central angle is double of inscribed angle, or we can say inscribed angle is half of central angle. Both are same thing. Let's see here figure we have to draw. Figure, it is center of the circle, it is A, it is O and B. AOB is central angle. Now inscribed angle, ACB is inscribed angle. AOB is central angle and ACB is inscribed angle. Both are standing on the same arc, this AB. Both are standing on the same arc, AB. Now here for this question we have O is given. What is given? First we have to write down given to prove. After that, if we need construction, then we have to construct. After that, we have to prove the theorem. For this question, for this theorem, given, what is given here? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Angle AOB is central angle, and angle ACB, it is the sign of angle ACB is inscribed angle standing on the same arc, arc is given how much? AB. It is given. Now we have to prove. To prove, here we should write down. To prove, what you have to prove? Central angle is double of inscribed angle. Means we have to prove angle AOB equal to, that is central angle. Central angle is double of inscribed angle. Inscribed angle is ACB. Central angle is AOB and inscribed angle is ACB. So angle AOB equal to double of angle ACB. This we have to prove. Now construction. What we need to prove this theorem? We need can we join these two, and the name of this point is D. So we have to write down in construction, C and O are joined. C and O are joined. C and O are joined and produced to where? Produced to D. C and O are joined and the line produced to D. This much we have to write down before proving the theorem. Given, what is given? O is the center of the circle. AOB is central angle. ACB is inscribed angle. That is given. After that, to prove, what you have to prove? angle AOB, central angle, is double of inscribed angle. So central angle is this AOB and inscribed angle is ACB. That we have to prove. Angle AOB is double of angle ACB. To prove this theorem, we need to construct a line. C and O are joined. C and O are joined, and the line, this line CO, the line CO is produced to the point D. Now I am going to rub this hole. I am going to rub. Now let's see first how to prove this. After that we will write what we have to write, this name of this. First let's see, can we write in this triangle AOC? We have two triangles here. One is this AOC and another is BOC. One is AOC and another triangle is BOC. And in these two triangles, first I am taking triangle AOC. In triangle AOC, can we write angle, this angle plus this angle? Both are equal. Angle A equal to angle C. Angle A equal to angle C. Can we write? Both are radii. AO and CO. Both are radii of the same circle. So we can write down these two angles are equal. After that, for this angle, this AOD, this angle AOD equal to, can we write angle A plus angle C? Exterior angle is the sum of opposite interior angles. So angle BOD equal to, we can write down double of this angle. Same way in triangle BOC we can write down angle BOD equal to this angle BOD, this angle equal to double of angle this BCO, this angle. After adding we will get AOB equal to double of ACB. Let's see how to prove this. After this we have to write down statement and region. Here first write down proof. Here statements, and here regions. Here first number in triangle AOC. First I am taking this triangle AOC. Can we write angle OAC? Angle OAC equal to angle ACO. Region AO and CO are equal, so it became an isosceles triangle. And if base angles are equal, the two sides are equal, that means the base angles are equal. We can write down AO equal to CO, or here we can write down AO equal to CO. After that, number 2. After this we can write down AO equal to CO. After that, exterior angle, this AOD equal to, can we write down this exterior angle equal to, can we write down this angle A plus angle C, means OAC plus angle ACO. In region we can write down exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle, or we can write down exterior angle and opposite interior angle. That also we can write down exterior angle is equal to opposite, exterior angle is equal to opposite equal to the sum of, equal to exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. Or after that we can write down this. After solving this we will get angle AOD equal to double of ACO, double of angle ACO. After solving I have written here. Or number 3, again a triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, what will you get? Angle BOC equal to angle, not BOC, angle OBC. Angle OBC equal to angle OCB. 3 number. Same as, we can write down same as, or from 1 also we can write down same as number 1 and 2. Same as number 1 and 2. Now here also we can write down again here angle BOD. Angle BOD equal to double of angle OCB. Now number 4. In number 4 we can write down, if we add these two angles AOD and BOD. AOD and BOD. AOD we have here and BOD is here. So if we will write down angle AOD plus angle BOD, then how much we will get? This side, in right side we will get double of angle ACO plus another OCB. And reason or we can write down adding number, which number we have added? 2 and 3. Adding number 2 and 3. After this we will get number 5. AOD and BOD. AOD means this much part and BOD means this much part. Means this whole part we can write down angle AOB. Angle AOB equal to double of this side ACO. ACO means this, and OCB or BCO both means this. Means whole part we can write down. After this, after adding, we will get double of angle ACB. Number 5. We can write down here whole part axiom. Here whole part axiom. And this part we have to prove. Only this much we had to prove. It is AOB. AOB means it is central angle and ACB is inscribed angle. So we have proved here AOB equal to double of ACB. Means central angle is double of inscribed angle. Here proved. In this theorem we have proved in very short way. We can make it lengthy also, but here I have made little bit short. It will be easy to understand. And in another theorem, again I will do another theorem in another video. Thank you so much for watching.